let's create some rainbow gyp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be creating a rainbow gyp cloud. So here I have a load of gyp. There's about 8 stems. I got this from my suppliers, of course, but you can also get them from your local supermarket. Most supermarkets do sell gyp, so let's get creating. So what we need to do is get our floral spray paint. Don't use normal because it will kill the heads of the flowers. So we're using Oasis spray paints, and we have another brand of floral spray as well. And we are going to be using like a pale blue, a pink, an orange, and a lime colour. So then I come outside because we don't want any of the paint going anywhere. So basically what I do, you get a stem of gyp, put those there, and then you can wear gloves or put like a piece of cellophane or some newspaper down, but I'm going to try and just get it onto the stem. So what we're going to do is give it a bit of a shake, and then all you're going to want to do is just spray the tops of the gyp, the lime colour, just and turn it upside down as well. Make sure that all the white is covered in the paint. So there we have our lime one. Just pop it down there, and then we'll go for a pink. Let's get this sprig. Spray this one pink. Make sure that the other one is well away because we don't want that with pink splodges on. Just spray this one also. Like so. Make sure all the tops is covered. There we go, we have the pink sprig, and then let's go on to the next colours. Okay, so now they're all sprayed and we've got these stun huns here. I'm just gonna leave them to dry in the sun for a bit, but look at those colours. Okay, so they're all dried and ready to go, and here they are. I've just really bunched these up, but if you want to arrange them more nicely you can. But here is your rainbow gyp.